Okay, we move to the second part because we would like to save the time. And okay, we're still waiting when they lost the signal completely. Okay, we're going back to the sim number 2. Which now the router switch from sim 1 to the sim number 2. But look, as you can see, they said they switch from sim 2 to sim number 1 because the big signal. Signal is back for home 3G, which should be O2, but it's nothing happened because we don't have any signal at all. Data connection is loose, is no re-established back. Disconnected. We need to wait another 2 minutes roughly when they're going to try to switch back to the sim number 1. What's been time? 36 and 38. They're gonna be switched back to the sim number 1. Which looks like CPU doing something. And because we don't have any data connection, they're going back to the sim number 1. As you can see in the log, on 1738, switch from the sim 2 back to the sim 1 because the data connection failed. And we got a Vodafone, but it's disconnect, 0 byte, no IP address, nothing. We're going to wait another 2 minutes to the 1740-30. We're gonna be back switch to the sim number 2, but your log will say to us switch from the 2 to the 1. As you can see, then we got the recent network events connected, mobile data disconnect, connected. We got it just from the beginning of the start of the router, first time we have only data, not afterwards. And we're going to do now nothing, 0, nada. See, signal is okay, 76 decibels. Okay, we're going to back to the SIM number 2, which is the O2. As you can see, they're gonna be lock set again. Switch from the 2 to the 1, which is not true. Now we're going to reboot the router. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you in the mobile what we have set. Then we got all the settings is correct for the SIM 1 or SIM 2. Yeah, and the SIM management is set to the primary SIM 1. Interval for the 30 seconds. What's that happen if drop below on the weak signal or data connection fail, switch to the SIM. And the same thing happen on the SIM number 2 if just drop down below or data connection fail, just go down. We're going to do the reboot, and after the reboot we'll be back with not a problem. You can see we're rebooting. Okay, router gonna be ready in a few seconds. Probably now. Okay, we're back online. As you can see, we established the connection, SIM1 ready. We're transferring the data. We got a Skype connection which is working back to. Okay, and all good. Then please come back to us very soon as you can, as you will have see this video.